Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO Find X3 LITE. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bars. Over here, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. On this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select Receive on OPPO and Send on an Android. Following that, tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. From here we have the connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on OPPO, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera. Add the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!